of Rajnath Singh assuming office.
सर बहुत बहुत बधाई सर।
एक फोटो
सर एक सर क्या सरकार सर अग्निवीर स्कीम की समीक्षा करने जा रही है सर।
सर चीफ सर आ गया सर। चीफ सर थोड़ा पीछे सर।
There to be Raksha Mantri yet again, second consecutive term. He's taken office. He's been allocated the portfolio based on his expertise. His domain has been defense, and he's had a successful term from 2019 to 2024. Rajnath Singh now taking over the defense ministry for the second time. And these are live images of Rajnath Singh coming in. In fact, he hails from Uttar Pradesh, and we hear he's done his master's in physics. He has been a teacher by profession largely through his life, and then eventually served as a member of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. He was a Minister of Education, initially in the government of Uttar Pradesh back in the 90s. Then he served as the Minister of Surface Transport in the Union Cabinet again in the 90s, leading up to 2000. Eventually became Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 2000, 2002, and 2003 he served as Minister of Agriculture in the Union Cabinet, was later elected to the Rajya Sabha for 2 terms, and in 2009 he was elected to the 15th Lok Sabha. And we see here Rajnath Singh has had a successful stint in politics. He's grown up the ranks and now is one of the most trusted within the BJP. Among the top 5 leaders in the party, Rajnath Singh certainly features in the top 3. He's now taken over as Defence Minister and takes office today. Those are the live images coming in of Rajnath Singh taking charge. He's assuming office, and this, remember, comes at a time when the terror attacks have just happened in Jammu. The tri-service chiefs have also accompanied Rajnath. He's flanked by the outgoing army chief and the new army chief, both of them who have accompanied Rajnath Singh as he assumes office today. Those are the live images that we're taking you through as Rajnath Singh, on a day like this, of course it's a somber day, considering that in the last 3 days there have been 3 terror strikes where 9 civilians have died, multiple security personnel have also succumbed. At a time like this, he's of course taking over his office, and there you see he's meeting with all the chiefs of the army, navy. Let me cut across to Piyush Mishra joining us for more on that. Piyush, please give us more on Rajnath Singh taking over his office today. He's accompanied by the outgoing army chief, the new army chief, and a whole load of people who've arrived there to greet and welcome Rajnath Singh for his second term as Defence Minister.
Well, yes, Nabila, we are getting these visuals coming in from Defence Ministry, where Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is now taking charge. The outgoing Army Chief and now the new Army Chief both are present. MOS Defence Sanjay Seth, who comes from the state of Jharkhand, he is also present. Defence secretaries are also present, and right now as we are speaking, he is taking charge at South Block at Defence Ministry. There are senior officers also of Defence Ministry are present as he is taking charge. Remember that he is taking charge as Defence Minister for the second time in 2019 when Modi government was formed. At the time also he was appointed as Defence Minister, and now as we are speaking, we are now getting these visuals coming in from the Raisina Hills North Block, where Defence Ministry is there, and their Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is now taking charge. Nabila.
All right. Thanks very much, Piyush, for joining us on that.